What's up, my boys?
What up, pimps? Today is the 1st September. You know what that means. We are moving into our new apartment in Ajuda. Most of you guys haven't been able to sleep since we told you that we're about to move. But we're not moving in with everything because we're not sleeping there until the 13th of September. Come on.
You were gonna take the heavy stuff.
No, equality, bitch. Jeg elsker at flytte. Oh my god.
Oh, last suitcase. I can't believe that we have 3 rooms instead of 1 room, plus a living room and a big balcony.
We have already made the house tour, but if you haven't seen it, or even if you have seen it, I think you can take another round of this beautiful apartment. And this is gonna be the guest room here. So I'm 180. Okay, so a bed is 2 meters, so it's gonna be until here.
Yeah.
Okay.
You look really stunning on the dirty floor.
The bathroom in here, number 1. And I can fall asleep here when I'm hungover. I usually do that, so that's good.
And this hallway goes to the living space. And we actually don't know how exactly to spend this room the best, but we'll figure that out. And this kitchen space is actually pretty good. So I don't know why, but I remembered it to be really, really narrow and small. But it's actually quite good. The only thing is that it is super, super wide, so we need to do something about that. I think we're gonna put a big wallpaper here, and then a rug, and then some stuff around here to make it look cute.
So the reason we got the apartment is obviously up here. And last time you didn't see the bathroom, so let's show you the bathroom before we show the real highlight. This is an ensuite bathroom with the cute blue tiles here. Lots of light coming in. What's not to love? How about this? How about this? Ponte do Abril 25. Usually we just call it the Red Bridge, but now when we live here, we have to call it by its actual name.
This is where we will shower in the morning when it's hot.
And then we have this for our... Oops. Oops. What is the plan with this outdoor space? Because this is obviously the most important part of the apartment.
We are definitely gonna have some plants to cover in the shower here. Then we're gonna have a dining table.
So I'm the only one who wants a lounge setup out here because it's not very comfortable sitting at a normal garden table because you're just sitting like this. I want to be able to chill back and relax. But you don't think there's enough room up here? We don't have to have a full lounge setup.
Okay, in that case I agree.
Just a couch or something
yeah,
like that.
Yeah, but that we agree on.
We are very excited to move in here, but it's not without problems because now that we have gone through the apartment in detail, there are some massive issues with especially the cabinet doors. The finishing is awful and the quality is not good. Let me give you one prime example of the issues with finishing here in Portugal, because this was the same in our current apartment in Saldanha. So the carpenter, he put it vertically, this for the hangers. So every time you put something on here, it falls out. Are you kidding me? When you have a beautiful apartment like this where everything is so well thought through, I mean, this is just weird. And up here, here's another example. What the hell?
Yeah, it's so
It's
bad.
all of it. So let's say I want to throw garbage out. I don't know if we're demanding, but this is not acceptable in my book. I mean, it's...
Even this.
So whoops, I made the wrong hole.
Keep in mind that this kitchen is brand new. This is so white and bright, and this is like off-white, like the rest of the cabinet. So these doesn't even match each other. And here, the glue is almost falling apart.
It's yeah. You can close the kitchen off, which is really nice, but not from the inside. So I'm trying to close it here, but there's no handle. Yeah, that's about as far as you can close it. The apartment is amazing, but that is not amazing.
It's just bad.
And it continues. So here, for example, so the guy, he just puts like, nah, I don't have one that's long enough. And he's probably gonna do the same here. And you just have these marks here all the way. Like, I don't know, it just looks awful. And I really hope that it's gonna be fixed. It's gonna be interesting to see how this is gonna be fixed, because this is for us a major problem. And keep in mind, we are paying 1,700 euros a month without parking.
It's not that cheap.
Yeah, we're not getting paid to live here. Nothing is easy here in Portugal, Amalie.
Okay, let's go to IKEA right now. Oh, this doesn't close either. There it is.
Amalie, you can't open the door.
Yes.
Amalie.
Hvad er der? Jeg prøver.
One of the best things about our new place is that it's only 8 minutes to IKEA. Amalie, what is it exactly we need here?
We need a bed frame, and we just need to check out their kitchens, not to buy any, but just to see how it actually is supposed to look.
So this is pretty similar, but
this is definitely much better. It doesn't have the same dirty lines at all. This is exactly how it's supposed to look and feel. Look at this. So it's like covered all the way around.
yeah, exactly.
But I think the cabinets might be the same, but they should invest. He should invest in the rest.
If we can get these instead of the others.
That would be the best.
Yeah.
Beds.
So this is the one we want. But it's fairly expensive, Amalie.
Is it?
It's 329, and then you have to have the
Things to put.
the ones under the mattress. We can't just buy one more of our current ones.
because it's too big. And that small room, I want the bed to be much lower than this one. It's way too high. We did not buy the bed because we think it's really expensive for an IKEA bed. So instead we will try and find a prettier bed, and we already have one in mind.
It's a lot more expensive than the IKEA one, but it's one that we're really passionate about having. It's going to be like an art piece.
We are at LX Factory now because we are gonna go to Carré Design and collect the bed that we really want.
A lot of people today.
Because it's market day today.
They don't have it. I love moving.
So the bed is 1,080 euros.
Okay.
And then we have to go and buy the things to put on the bed.
So this bed here, you haven't seen it. We haven't gotten it because it's 2 months.
2.5 months before it's there.
We won't get it until November, but we want to show you just a quick preview, and it is so beautiful.
It's much prettier than IKEA beds.
I mean,
prettier.
if you look at it, you can just see, okay, this is unique. This is something that we will have for the rest of our lives, maybe.
And I think we end up using that bed instead, just because it's so beautiful. So our bedroom is gonna be on the top floor, but this bed is gonna be our guest bedroom. So that's gonna be in the first floor. So and now we are just gonna go full on with the boho style in the guest room. And all our guests is gonna sleep like babies when they are visiting us. I think we should go and get some really nice linen as well.
Linen?
Linen.
I think that's enough, Amalie. I don't want to have guests all the time.
We also need side tables and light and
that's it, Amalie.
some cozy stuff
No.
to the wall.
There's no budget.
Ready to round 2.
2 small chairs.
It's one small step
2 giant steps.
for man,
2 small chairs, but 2 giant chairs for humanity.
one giant leap for mankind.
As you can see, there is only 2 chairs in this apartment right now because we are not moving in until we get back from Bali.
We have a friend who is staying in our apartment while we are on vacation. Not vacation, it's hard work. So we can't really move all our stuff because this friend...
She will be using our furniture as well. But since she's already coming the 13th in this month, we are literally moving in here without moving in.
Yeah.
In 2 weeks. I love that we have a wide balcony now, because all I wanted to do on our old balcony was to color it white. Remember, it was like mint?
Ja.
And here I got my white crisp color. Yes.
Selv når man sidder nede, kan man faktisk se broen og havet.
Jeg var ret på at være stille her.
Even though we've been quite negative today, I think that
When it all comes down to reality, this place is magnificent. Just sitting here, looking at Tejo River, looking at the ocean.
and being above it all, it just gives you a sense of tranquility and peace. I always love being raised high above everything, and
Oh, we all know. It's just magical sitting here and watching the sun reflecting all the orange tiles of the city right now. It's just so beautiful.
oh my god, I can't wait for the sun to set because that's when you get the mwah light. What a light.
This is where we are gonna have dinner with a show every night, in the summertime at least.
Oh my god, I feel very privileged right now.
Yeah.
I can't believe that this is our new home. Absolutely amazing.
I can't believe Ajuda isn't more spoke about, because how amazing is it here? It's so charming.
Yeah, but I mean, it's just locals here. I think we are one of very few tourists. Tourists, of course, the
Did
local.
you call yourself a tourist?
Well, they
or-
certainly consider me a tourist, I'm
Yeah.
sure, but yeah, this is amazing, absolutely amazing. Screw the cabinet doors, we'll get them fixed. Our landlord is a sweet guy, so all is well and all will be well.
Yes.
I love this. Like when you look through, you get the beautiful. It's such a good combi with the
With the light.
sunset. Oh my goodness. Amalie?
Get over your honeymoon phase, honey.
Well, last time in Saldanha, I got to enjoy the honeymoon phase like 5 minutes or something. Lægger det på, eller hvad? Bom dia. Hello? Come.
Thank you for waiting.
This time, it's gonna be longer, okay? It's gonna be a honeymoon phase, just like our relationship, Amalie. That was a lie. This was a daily. A lot of you guys have.
Yeah, we have actually been asked a lot about daily vlogs, what we do in our everyday life. So this was a little bit more special, but it's definitely just a day in our life. And it was so much fun to do.
Yeah,
Not really.
not really, because we hate moving and carrying heavy stuff.
Yeah.
By the way, guys, we need a moving company, somebody who takes care of our stuff when they move it, because we have some heavy items.
Yeah.
Leave a comment below
If you know any company. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. Remember to hit the ding dong.
We made a poll, and 20% says they don't get our videos as they should.
So that's why you have to hit the ding dong, the bell
Yeah.
button, so
Yeah.
you are sure to get our videos when they're
You'll
out.
never miss a video,
Ever.
because you definitely want to see everyone.
This was a really long goodbye, but see you in the next vlog, guys.
Yeah.
Hasta logo.
Hasta luego. Ciao.